Hey there, folks. So this here is my plain Jane Outlook account, functional, but nothing to write home about. But hold on to your hats because here comes Charge for Outlook to jazz things up. So first things first, we're going to hit the install button on the Charge for Outlook website. This will take us straight to the web store where we can click Add to Chrome. Once we've added this, boom, it should be installed. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's not forget to pin this bad boy. And then it's back to our Outlook account. Let's give it a quick refresh, and then we're going to need to grant Charge access to our email. Okay, from here, we're going to go ahead and click Create New Email. Notice anything different? Yeah, that's actually a new button, Import CSV. So I do have a CSV file all ready to go. And an important note, the first column should be titled email, and each column should have a title. These titles will actually be used as variables in our email if we want. So let's go ahead and whip up a subject line and draft the body of our email. It looks pretty run-of-the-mill, but here's where the magic happens. We can actually spice up our templates with variables. So let's add the first recipient's name. And then we can also add like company or other variables as well. And also check this out. So you've got this nifty little preview trick that lets us see how our emails will actually look to our recipient, which is pretty cool. But yeah, besides that, let's go ahead and, send this baby on its way. Once we click the send, and now it's off. So now if we head over to our sent emails, we can see the first email we just sent. There it is. And by the way, I'm using the free subscription, so there's a watermark that's clickable. But besides that, that's a quick tour of Charge, the extension for Google and Edge. So try it out for yourselves.